Go though all the idioms. Jot down in your note copy. Practice the IELTS writing and speaking.
Spill the beans. Its meaning is revealing the secret or hidden facts. We can make the sentence, promise me that you will never spill the beans about it. Next, pull someone's leg. It's mean to make fun of someone. Don't take it seriously. I was just pulling your leg. Sit on the fence. Not to make a decision or take a side when given options or the possibilities. You can sit on fence. Now you tell whom you support. Through thick and thin. Being faithful and loyal in all circumstances. A true friend supports you through thick and thin. Yes, this setup, idioms we can use in our IELTS speaking. Once in a blue moon. It means an act that rarely happens. They take us on the tour only once in a blue moon. Take it with a pinch. Take it with a pinch of salt. Not being serious about something. Please don't take the matter seriously. Take it with a pinch of salt. When pigs fly, something impossible to happen. For example, I will live in the moon when pigs fly. Go down in flames. It means to fall miserably. Without proper actions, your dream will go down in flames. To cost an arm and leg, something is very expensive. I mean, this house cost me an arm and a leg. See eye to eye. It means to accept or agree with each other's option. We have decided to see eye to eye in sky issues. A piece of cake. Something very easy and simple to do or perform. For example, walking in the foreign land was not a piece of cake for me. Don't think that. Beat around the bush. It means avoiding the main matter. Don't beat about the bush. Try to come to your point. Hit the sack. Go to bed for sleep. I mean, I'm really tired. Now let me hit the sack. Fit as a fiddle. Its meaning is being in good health. Eating healthy food makes fit as a fiddle. Straight from the horse's mouth. Its meaning is to the information directly from the person's mouth rather than from anyone else's mouth. Just let's make a sentence. Did you hit the news straight from the horse's mouth? Yes. Let's move toward next. Action speaks louder than words. Obviously, its meaning is what you do have a stronger effect than just talking about it. Should not just talk about helping others. We must act. Action speaks louder than words. Such type of sentence we can make. Let's move toward the last one. Bit up more than you can chew. Its meaning is taking more responsibilities than one can manage. Let's make a sentence. To please the manager, I accepted to go and work, so I bite up more than I can chew. Obviously, this set of idioms, if we are using in our spoken language, it's where we need to explain our situations, or let's say situationally, contextually, then it would be better and English language standard may go up. And there is a high chances to secure good band score.
Let's learn Phrasalia to 3 with Bin and Shah.